In this video, I will show you how to fix the device type unknown error on Instagram. If you're seeing this message, it usually means Instagram needs to verify your identity through phone number or email linked to your account. First thing you can do is you should check your login activity to make sure no unfamiliar devices are accessing your account. To do this, launch open the Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. This will take you to settings and activity. Here scroll down and find your activity section. Then scroll down and tap on account history. Here you can view all of your account history and other account information to see if anything looks suspicious. If you notice any logins that don't belong to you, you can log out of these devices. For that, head back over to your settings. Now tap on Account Center. Then go to Password and Security. Here select where you're logged in. Now from here you can simply log out of the suspicious device. Another important step is changing your password. For that, you can head back. Now you have the option of change password, select that. Select your Instagram account from here. Then go ahead and enter your current password. Then enter your new password. After that, retype the new password again. After that, tap on change password. You can also enable the two-factor authentication for extra security. This adds an extra layer of protection and helps prevent unauthorized access. Aside from security checks, you can also try simple troubleshooting steps like restarting your device, checking your internet connection, or updating the Instagram app. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.